Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and I'm coming back with you with the Summer in the City digital kits from the Crafty Trinity. And I made some pockets, some double pockets using all three kits. And I got my sewing machine working again. Let me just tell you, real smart. So I needed to change the needle in my sewing machine, and so I went and got some needles, but I didn't read the manual to get the correct size. And you know, being the smart person that I am, I bought the wrong size and installed it, and of course I had trouble with it. So I decided to read the troubleshooting manual, the information in my book, my sewing machine manual, and it told me the correct ones to buy. So I went and got the correct ones, and then I installed it backwards. So needless to say, I finally read the directions and installed it correctly, and we're back in business, and I'm back to my stitching again. But here are 4 pockets that I made, and I just added a little what do you call it, cluster. This is when I was practicing on where it was just not doing right. It would go straight, and then it would go jagged, and then it would just mess up. But I just went on ahead and made a cluster out of it and just added it on here. So this is a pocket here, and this was printed out on vellum, and I just used some plain paper and made that. And then you have a tag here. This came from my kit, my Summer in the City kit. Let me just take these out so you can see. And then you've got this right here. I just used book page, and then this is just some graphic 45. And this is going to go inside of a journal. And then I made this right here. This envelope comes from Pham's journal. Pham's kit, Summer in the City. And then I added some embellishments. The ice cream truck is from my kit. This is from Thelisha's kit, my kit, and my kit. And that was printed out on OHP paper. And so I just added that in here. I'm going to set that to the side. And then here's another one, real fun. This one is from Thelisha's kit, the one that says notes. And then this little ice cream is from Pham's kit. And then you have this little tag, that one's from my kit. And then, of course, the word, all these little words, that's from my kit. And this is also graphic 45. All of these are on graphic 45, and they have a book page and like a little label on there. And then this right here, this is from Thelisha's kit. This is one of her embellishments. So I just cut it out and went around it with glossy accents, and just to kind of make it look like, you know, I guess like ice cream or maybe a smoothie or yogurt or something. And I just added the word summer on there. And then I just made like a little mini, just a little mini journal using some of the pages. And basically this right here is from my kit, but this was one of the journal cards, the 5x7 journal card. And I just folded it over and just took little pieces of one of my pages from my digital kit. This is a remnant from one of Pham's kits. This is Thelisha's. And this is Pham's. This is part of this other one right here. This is part of that same page. And they're basically just folded over. So you have a journaling spot with that one. And then over here you have these really pretty skates. I love these roller skates. This is from Pham's kit. And then this has a pocket here. And then there's another pocket back here. And then, like I said, all of them have the book pages and the graphic 45. And then I just made like a double-sided tag. And this is from her kit, Pham's kit. And I just stitched on some the paper and added another piece of paper and just stitched around the edges. And I added these tabs. This tab is originally from my kit, and then I just took a piece of white paper and traced this tab around it and then cut it out so I could have that right there. And then you have this one right here. I just took another piece of that same cluster that I was working on, and I just added it to here. And this image on here is from my kit, as well as the image that was on here. That's my kit too. And it's vellum. It's printed on vellum. And then you have this little envelope. This one's from my kit. And then I just added on the word music, and then just stitched around the edges. And then also, this right here is from my kit. Double Dutch, as well as this right here. So it's jump rope, double Dutch, and I added these little chips up here. These are from Thelisha's kit. So that's what I have. So let me go ahead and show you how I made it. just like that to put in here. Envelopes and stuff to just fill these up. So this is pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and my social media sites and my blog, and check out the other ladies from the Crafty Trinity. Check out some of their videos using the same kit, and I'll have links in the description to their channels. And thanks for watching.